it. Is that flash your light? Like, go left a little bit so I can see it. Oh man. Well, now we gotta go explore it.
I've seen horror movies. The Mexicans die, dude.
So do the Asians.
Yeah, the white guys usually the one running away.
Glenn in The Walking Dead just died.
They got killed by a white boy. Fuck that guy.
Yeah, exactly. Fucking Negan.
You mean Han?
Han?
From,
What the fuck?
Somebody knocked over the porta potty.
No, dude, what the hell? That's a... Whoa. Holy shit. Look at that. Go close to it.
How about we don't?
Dude, the tree fell on it, dude.
No.
The tree fell on it.
Tree's always been like this.
No, dude, go back, go back. Look, oh shit. Dude, high beam that shit. Go.
There's a guy in there that lives there. He gets pissed off a lot.
Who? In the porta potty?
Yeah, he lives over there somewhere.
Is it a bum?
Is it a what?
Is it a bum?
Is it a bomb?
No, there's a house back there.
Oh no, it smells like shit now.
Probably because the porta potty got knocked over by a tree. I wonder if that happened, like, recently. Maybe it was a giant bear. Look for big claw marks. Oh my gosh.
Oh shit, it did fall in there.
Oh man.
Nope, not doing it.
No, wait. Shh. Listen. Hold on the window.
That sound of Ford when we roll back up.
That what? Dude, I've seen scary movies. People die doing stupid shit like this.
That's crazy, dude.
Who the fuck told you it was a tree that killed me, man?
We're leaving?
That was really pretty much the end of it.
I thought we were gonna shoot a video.
Yeah, we'll do more over there.
Yeah, with the ghost cars.
Ghost might be over here.
Less likely to get eaten by whatever the fuck.
Porta potty monster.
Porta potty monster.
It's always when they're
Poopy
leaving.
monster.
Have you guys always noticed that the horror doesn't start until they leave?
They're trying to leave.
Until they're trying to leave, and then it won't let them leave?
Exactly. Fuck you, Gavin. Why do you have to say shit like that? Now I'm like, fuck.
Remember how you were invited for Friday, Gavin?
Yeah, you're
Alright.
no longer coming.
That's the house, man. If we go in there while we're leaving, we could just check out the house and make sure it's like safe, and then afterwards we'll leave.
I'll tell you what, how about we don't go check out the house?
How about we come here during the day one day and you can seriously see it all? It's fucking,
Yeah.
it's fucking crazy.
No, because then we go in the house, and when we come out, it's dark outside because time isn't affected in the house, and it's
No,
open.
but you know that how there's those little burnt down buildings and stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Me and my girlfriend were hiking
What the
down
fuck is
here.
that?
You rolled the window before you got the
Oh.
Dude, it looks like something on the roof. Did you see that?
Nope.
Holy fucking shit. Dude, I thought, no, really, did you see that thing on the roof?
Nope.
Okay, wait, calm down. We're not gonna die, it's not a horror movie.
I got this, homie. Don't worry about it.
Oh my god, my dick is like so far in my stomach right now, it's ridiculous. Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
10 seconds, aren't you?
Holy shit.
You have a seatbelt, fucker. Shut up.
This is true, this is very true. Oh man, oh man.
It's chasing us! No, it's not.
Oh man. Oh.
Remember who doesn't have a seatbelt?
You're not gonna go anywhere. Don't worry about it.
I'm trying to hold on.
Holy shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I'm just trying to hold on to this fucking seat.
Make sure my subwoofers come on. Woo!
My palms got sweaty, my knees got weak, and my arms are heavy.
Spaghetti on your sweater already?
Mom, spaghetti! Oh shit!
Yeah, you better push your back all the way back because you're holding me in.
Yeah,
I got you. Don't worry about it, boys.
Oh my god.
Eject those seat
Holy
belts.
fuck! Oh my god.
I think we've made it. We might be safe.
I think we're safe. Whew. Oh. That was like the Indiana Jones ride, and it's like, thank you for going on the Indiana Jones ride. We hope you had a fun time here at Disneyland.
We'll put a rock up here. Fuck.
What's this little blue box thing called?
A call box.
That one?
Yeah.
The amp.
Yeah, that just went in my back like at least 40 times.
So it's supposed to move. Oh, you were smacking
Oh,
it?
there's some problems.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm gonna be a bitch about it, Emily.
So, fuck my safety. You're more concerned about your
was fucking intense.
Well, I did one time actually. That was the stupidest reason. I know what the fuck I'm doing. I hauled ass in the desert, which is way much worse than this. Well, shit that looks like this, almost no light.
But could you do that trail with no lights on?
Why the fuck would I do the trail with no lights on?
Do not put that back here. It's fucking behind you.
Them tacos and them onions.
Dude, look at the trees. It's so green.
Now would be a good time to play the 28 Days Later theme
I don't
song.
give a flying fuck.
That's the Jason.
Yeah, that's the... No, that's the Halloween one.
Sorry.
Oh, it's the one that... Fuck, how's it... It's like...
You think I can get Uber service out here?
How did the 28 Days Later... The 28 Days Later fucking song kind of was like... It started off really slow, and then it's like...
I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about
Oh, it's
scary
dun,
songs. Shut the fuck up.
dun, 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 or something like that.
Alright, so here's something to look out for. Look to your right and see if you see any yellow dots.
Yellow dots.
It's usually animals looking at you.
Aminals.
Aminals.
What if they're red?
We're running. We're doing this shit all over again.
Hold on.
What if we pop 2 tires?
We have to push the car. And we're in the middle of a forest.
Is this a forest? This was a good idea. Let's never do this again.
Yeah.
We don't have Alvin with us, Gabe, Oscar, no backup.
We are alone.
We can stick Alvin for days. We have to eat each other for fucking food.
I'm down.
No offense, but I'm probably eating you first.
Survival of the fittest.
Yeah. Sorry. And I don't used to know your last meal was pizza.
Because you know my last meal was pizza?
Yeah.
That's true. That sign, because you can't see the ball, looks like it's floating.
Oh.
Alright. Want to turn the lights off real quick?
Lights off.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
What if some shit pops out when I turn it back on? Let's go fast.
Oh God. Oh me, oh my.
How many clutches do you go through?
A lot. That's the third one I put in the truck.
How long have you had this truck?
Since 2003, we bought it brand new.
Oh.
My dad did. Oh, I know where we can see some shit.
No.
I was like, no. Pick up the phone, man.
Alrighty.
Down there.
Part 2 is over. Next part.